Okay guys, today we've got the Honda 216. Couple little tips, bits and pieces. As I mentioned in another video at one stage there, with these handles, it's a good idea when you buy them, they're on the outside here. When you're going along fences and stuff like that and branches, you knock it non-stop. So turn them around, put them on the inside, on both sides. And if you've got a pull cord, right down the bottom, you've got the pull cord right down there. A lot of times on the 216s, it's up here on the little clip that hangs out and it comes out, sticks out this far. Again, the other thing is there's a little bolt there, take it off, just put it around the other side here so that the actual pull cord is actually here. That's the first thing. Okay guys, now I'm going to swap these wheels over to brand new wheels. These ones more or less had it. As you can see here, it's worn a hole right through. They're rattling away. I mean, they've got a lot of tread on them, but the problem is, look at that. It's pretty bad. It could be the axle, but I'm pretty sure it's just the wheels. And look at this. Yeah, so I'm going to change all those. Step one with the front one. Again, just use a screwdriver, pop that off, just like that. Okay. Turn, twist, turn, twist, twist, and twist. There it is. Keep that, you'll need that. Sometimes when you buy wheels, brand new wheels, you have one of those circuits anyway. So that basically just pops off, that. Check the inside, bearings, pretty much okay. But anyway, we've got brand new wheels to go on. So here is the brand new wheel. Ooh, look at that, M2. It's got those little grooves in it. Straight on. Seen this in another video that I've got. It's pretty straightforward. Okay. Now I've put it in like that. Just put it into a socket. Put that on. Make sure it's nice and level. There we go, she's on. That's not going to move. That's the front wheel. Look at that. No movement whatsoever. How good's that? Put that away. Now we're going to go to the back wheels. Okay, with the back wheels, we're going to use a rattle gun. These are the best things to use because basically, if you undo the bolt, just with a ratchet or something like that, the whole entire axle is going to move with it. So you need something that's going to be very quick and it's just going to come off really quickly. Nearly there. Okay. So that came off pretty quick and nice and easily done. Now the other problem is, I'm going to take this off and I'll show you what happens on the inside. Slide it off. Now, just put that underneath there. Here is what they call, I think they call it drive dogs. So we just make sure that these are all okay. That's going back, that's fine. Nothing's worn in there. Like the little tiny wire that goes right through the whole entire thing. None of that is snapped, so that's good. It's very important with these, the way you put them on when you get new ones. Remember, those little clips there go like that when it's rotating, when it's self-propelling. Got to make sure. See how they're both the same? Got to make sure. So this one is the right one. It goes in and you turn it around and it will slot into, so there's little things there that goes onto those. Just locks it in. Now, as with a lot of wheels when you buy them, on the inside, you've got those little lugs right down deep inside there. You see that little lug? There's one there, there's one there. They're right around all inside. You see them. Now the problem is, sometimes when you buy them, that lug doesn't come all the way out. It's only very shallow. It doesn't go all the way out. And that won't click, that won't get into gear with that drive stick. So we're going to check the other wheels to make sure we've got the right ones. So here's the brand new one. and we're lucky. We're in business. Good stuff. I've got no problems. As you can see with there, it comes in. It doesn't go all the way out to the rim, but it goes over halfway. That's what you want. You lift the mower up, put her in, and click. You hear it clicking. That's what you want. Now we'll put this back on. Use the rattle gun. Make sure we put it to the on position. By the way, this is a 14mm socket. That's it. That's all you need. Nice and tight. Now we do the same thing with the other side as well. But before we go any further, let's just put the caps on. There we go. Look at that. Looks brand new, doesn't it? Just another thing someone else was mentioning at one stage. When you take the front wheel off, here's the Honda, here's the motor, the mower. When you take it off, a good rule of thumb is to actually, if you're good at drilling, drill a hole right in there. Pinpoint where it is. Right there. See, that's where the circlip goes. So if you drill a hole right through there, right through, you can put a cotter pin in there and you won't have to worry about the circlip. Just another little tip.